Hello everyone and welcome back to DesignLab. Today we're going to talk about Project Lingo. We collaborated with a non-profit to develop this product. Children of migrant parents who do not speak English face difficulties when they start school in the US. They may not speak the language. So the idea behind Learn Lingo is to create a fully open source device that helps children learn English starting from their heritage language. The LingoLearn project allows parents and educators create their own language packages. They don't need to know any coding. All the files are open source as usual, so it's possible to work based on the PCB design. The firmware is all available on Hackaday.io and even the mechanical design. Try to strike a careful balance between having a part that was easy enough to 3D print, but also eventually feasible to make in plastic injection. So how does it work? This unit will detect the different flashcards that have several concepts in 2 languages. For this example, we chose English and Spanish, but it really can be any language. When the unit is turned on, the device detects when you have a flashcard inserted, and as you press a button, it will tell you what it is.
Dog and puppy.
Now, if you want to switch languages,
Perro y cachorro.
one of the things that we really wanted to achieve is portability. These flashcards do not need any chips or anything embedded to them. They can be printed with an ordinary inkjet printer. So we have this flashcard that we've been using, and the only thing the children or educators have to do is change the flashcard. And now,
Draw.
we can change the language.
Beber.
And we can go for a phrase that helps illustrate.
Pour the milk in your cereal bowl and it'll make breakfast extra tasty.
If anyone wants to add a different language other than English or Spanish, the only thing they need to do is to record the voices, put them in a micro SD card, and start playing.
A dog and a playful puppy are the best companions.
So we can talk a little bit about the electronics and overall design of the units. We have the buttons here that we mentioned before. And this is where all the action happens. This is where the brains are. We have the RP2040. These buttons are for booting the unit. This is in case you want to flash updated firmware. This is where the micro SD card lives. Speaker, the 3 PCBs with the buttons. If anyone wants to use a different language, the only thing they would need to do is to have the recording of such language, insert the micro SD card, and rename the concepts, maybe from Spanish to French. We would be very excited, very happy to see several languages play with these units. Thank you very much for following along. We would love to see what you would do with this learning tool. And don't forget to check out the Hackaday.io page of the project, and see you soon.